Yes, hello, this is Mike Ginevra, and I want to welcome you back to the series of videos on project management. In this particular series, I'm working on basic or core glossary or vocabulary for project managers. And if you've seen some of the other videos, you'll be familiar with this list of terms, this basic list of terms that summarize the content of the videos that I'm developing. And in this particular video, we're going to look at the term project team. And as the indented list indicates, there are quite a few different people, different individuals with different roles that are involved in a project team. And we'll look at each of those roles in separate videos. But for right now, we're going to look at the overall concept of a project team. So once again, I'm going to read what's on the slide, the basic definition, and then comment a little bit more on the concept of project team. Okay. A project team is a group of individuals, usually from diverse functions or from different organizations who share common goals and objectives that are at the foundation of a project. People, people, people. Ultimately, we accomplish the shared goals and objectives of a project through the efforts of people. The following are some of the roles that project team members fill in a project. Project sponsor, project manager, stakeholder, developer, subject matter expert, core project team member, extended project team member. This list could go on and will vary for your particular project. However, each of these roles requires a specific set of knowledge, skills, and abilities. And the core of your work as a project manager is to bring these diverse individuals together through the shared goals and objectives and a shared vision that, again, is at the core and foundation of any project, and that is central to the success of any project. So, project team. I talk people, people, people. One of my all-time favorite movies is the film called Hoosiers. That's about Indiana high school basketball in the 1950s, and the coach in that team goes through a speech where he's talking about team, and he uses the term team, 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 and then goes on to talk about everybody working together as an individual and cooperating, and that concept of team, 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 shared goals, shared objectives, ultimately shared vision, that the people from different organizations, in the case of a project team, right, from different areas or functions of an organization, come together, and the common ground that unites them is a set of shared goals and shared objectives, and if you can get it, a shared vision. And that commonality is critical to the success of any project. And one of the most difficult and challenging roles for a project manager is to work with the individuals on that team to build a sense of shared goals and objectives, to build a shared vision, a shared way of looking at the work that you're doing together. Because very often these individuals come from organizations that have their own set of goals and objectives, but to make the project a success, the team comes together and agrees upon a core set of goals and objectives, and then works together to accomplish those goals and objectives. So project team, 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 people, 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 absolutely essential in projects, absolutely essential to the success of projects.